Greetings and welcome. This lecture is about gear shifts, or shift knobs as you might like to call. This lecture is presented by Robert Sapolsky and by Stanford University, and I'm just going to introduce the concepts of it. To understand better, you have to go to the YouTube channel of Stanford University and watch all of the videos about evolutionary biology by Robert Sapolsky. There are many kinds of gear knobs, or shift knobs as people like to call, but I want to give you a little trivia about the shift knobs. Shift knobs are first invented in 1800s, and the person who invented it is Abdullah el-Hakim. Abdullah el-Hakim was planning to build something like a knob, but he didn't know what a car is, so instead he named it horse knob. But sticking a knob into horse ass wasn't, useful. So instead he beat his wife. Thank you for watching.